Hey guys, it's Natty here.
Natalie.
And today we're going to be playing with Play-Doh.
I made this kangaroo. This look cute.
Okay, I'm going to use a red. And maybe this.
Hey Lou. I need to talk to you about Noah. Every time I think about him, I hear birds singing. Maybe that's because we live in a forest. Look. Noah's just using you to make chairs and stuff so we can buy a new truck. Don't hurt me to death. What are you talking about? So sorry, Lou.
Wait, I want to cut.
It just kills me to
I
tell you
want to
this.
cut the ears.
I heard him on the phone. Well, you heard wrong.
I want to cut the
Look,
hair,
we have something special. Our souls connect like a dovetail
and I want to cut the legs.
But don't you see you're the one doing all the connecting?
Okay.
What I see is that I'm supportive of you and Xander, but for some reason you can't be supportive of me and Noah. I'm just looking out for you. You're my best friend. Yeah, well, best friends support each other, so maybe you're not my best friend.
Let's just take this out. Got it! That was quick.
Good, that was Bio, but
I don't know what hurts more. She's not my friend, or that
I can't find it.
Ooh, nice dinosaur.
I'm gonna get another piece because I'm gonna make George.
Next time I see him, I'm gonna US open his head. I have 2 fake passports and a bag full of rubles.
As much as I'd like to get rid of him and live in Moscow, maybe we should take a different approach.
I just want to approach his lying face with this racket.
Okay, time to make George, people.
Lou won't listen to me, so we have to show her what kind of guy Noah really is. Come on. Sorry, leave the racket.
How did you do? Guys, I'm right here. I'm just standing and scratching myself.
You have one of these at camp, but you don't have soap.
My hair is red.
Zach, I cannot believe you would try to call me with another fake coin. How stupid
I'm
is that?
gonna make
What are you
Peppa
talking
now.
about? I have the fake coin right here. Well, if that's the fake one, then this one must be a real Viking gold coin. So that means there could be a real treasure somewhere around camp. Oh my gosh, we need to find it. But we can't do it without your brains.
Okay.
But then with the dinosaur.
Or I
The
just think
dinosaur gave me. I just want to dance.
I will stay here and study these books some more. Xander, you go to the library and see if you can find more about the camp's history. Right. One question. Where's the library? It is the building behind the science lab. Behind the mess hall.
Good job, Robbie. He totally thought our fake coin was real. Our plan is in motion.
The bounties have become the bounters.
Okay, let's take a Peppa. 3, 2, 1. This is Peppa looks back. That's not nice.
At least he's that good.
Because I don't want my best
Wait,
friend.
I want to see Peppa again. Yep, kind of thingy, but
My
still.
middle name is Evangeline. Listen, we came to apologize. You were right. We must have misheard Noah. Well, thank you for saying that.
And to make it up to you, we want to help you finish the chairs. We're guessing Noah's not here.
Yeah, he's getting a manicure. He always wants to look his best for me. Anyway, we want to make the chairs perfect, so we call Noah's grandpa to find out what he likes. Aw, that's so sweet. Noah's always talking about how much his poor sick grandpa loves these chairs.
After you look it.
Well, we have everything in these bags to make him the happiest dying grandpa in all of Maine.
I'm doing it good.
So, after extensive research, I've discovered that Jedediah's grandson, Tobias Swearingen, installed an elaborate sewage system.
Well, he did a terrible job. Every time they go to the triple flusher.
I don't think you can blame him for that. So, Ronnie, what does this have to do with the treasure? Take a look at this. That looks rich.
So, 2 Peppa Peppas, and 2 dinosaurs. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, click that like button and that bell button for all our newest videos. See you next time. Bye!